we need to talk about why we're doing this and the importance of your why. And this is um, one of, at least in my mind, one of the biggest things that people need to understand when they're getting into their health and fitness journey is, why did you start? Literally, why are you here? Why are you even watching this video? Um, do you want to improve your health? Do you want to improve your body composition? Do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to gain some strength? More energy, less pain? What is driving you? What is the sole source of motivation? And it needs to be very, very specific to your exact life. And this is where, if we go back to social media, like we talked about at the beginning of the podcast, people will often see other people's whys or reasons that they got into fitness or health and living a healthier lifestyle, and they will take those for themselves. And I'm not saying you can't take somebody's why. A lot of people do. Weight loss is a common example. A lot of people, their why of why they started fitness is to lose some weight. But it needs to be very specific to yourself. And when I say that, I mean you need to make it emotional. You need to make it deep into, why does weight loss matter? Not just why am I getting into fitness being weight loss, but why does weight loss matter to me? Or why does gaining strength matter to me? That's where you can really find some deep emotional connection to what you really want for yourself. So a way to think about this is, my why could be potentially, I want to lose 10 pounds. So that's, why I'm getting into fitness. But why do I want to lose 10 pounds? Because I want to fit into a size large shirt. And I've never been able to do that. That's one example. Another example could be somebody who's trying to gain some strength. Let's talk about somebody who's maybe an older adult, for example, and they don't have the strength to get up and out of the chair. So their why to get into fitness could be, I want to get into fitness to gain some strength, but not just gain some strength. I want to be able to gain some strength to get out of a chair independently and move better through my daily life. That is a powerful why. Having a very concise why and knowing exactly why you're doing it is a great source of motivation. I almost call it endless motivation, because when you're feeling down, when you're feeling kind of up on your goals, reminding yourself of those specific things can make a huge, huge impact. And although I don't always like to scare myself into being fitter and healthier, I think sometimes it's a good source of motivation to scare yourself of, if I don't do this thing, it's going to go completely back on the why. So if I don't try to lose weight, guess what? I'm never going to fit into that size large shirt that I just talked about. If I never go into the gym to gain some strength, I'm never going to be able to get out of that chair like I want to and be independent in my life. So knowing your why is incredibly important. Ask yourself right now, what is your why? But more importantly, why do you want that why? So it's a double why. It's like a little kid constantly asking questions.